Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Students, today I will teach you English unit number 5, page number 55, exercise grammar. Students, now let us start topic for and since. We often use for and since when talking about time. We use for plus a period of time. Examples: for 5 months, for ages. Example: he has been living in Paris for 5 months. For 5 months. Now, 5 months ago. For 6 minutes. For 1 day. For 2 hours. For 4 weeks. For 10 years. For ages. For years. Example: Ali has lived in Pakistan for 8 years. Next example: I've worked at that bank for 5 months. Next example: Alia hasn't been to a party for ages. Next, we use since plus the start of a period. Examples: since March, since 2019. Example: we have been playing cricket since March. Since March. Now, since 11 o'clock. Since Saturday. Since November. Since 2021. Since I left home. Since dinner time. Since I got up. Example: it's been raining since morning. Next example: I've lived in Pakistan since my childhood. Next example: I haven't seen Talha since lunch time. स्टूडेंट्स, आज का लेक्चर यहाँ कंप्लीट हुआ. आई होप यू विल बी अंडरस्टूड दिस लेक्चर. स्टूडेंट्स, काइंडली नोट डाउन दिस वर्क ऑन योर notebooks. Okay, Allah Hafiz.